A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Today class, chapter 4, powers and exponents and powers. Exponents and powers, page number 84. Do these problems. First we learn do these problems. So first, what is the expanded form? In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. Already we learned in the previous classes exponent form. Expanded form. Standard form 7294. So, in the downright expanded form, we learned in the previous class. It is a expanded form 17.591. We should write the here 17 tens place and units place and tens place. Units place means ones place. Points after digits 1 by 10th place, 1 by hundreds place, 100 thousand place. Okay.
Chapter 4 Exponents and Powers, page number 84. Do these problems. Expanded the following numbers using exponents. Expanded the following numbers using exponents. Already we learned in the previous classes, for example 3210. So we write the expanded form, how ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, place values are thousands. So we should write here expanded form 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 0. Right, like this only. Okay. So it is a numerical of a number. We write the expanded form. In this case of, in this chapter we write the decimal number. Change it to the expanded form. Okay. So here write, we read as points before numbers, place values ones, tens, hundreds. It is left side onwards, you counting the ones, tens, hundreds. Point after digits, we counting the ones place is the point after number ones, tens. Right side onwards, we count the place values ones, tens like this. Okay children, did you understand? So here 543.67. So here write ones, tens, hundreds. So 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Did you understand this children? Because of here place values tens and hundreds. So here write 5 into square number is 10 into 10 plus here write 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 by plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 10 into 10. Okay. Here write 10. How many times are write here? 2 times. We should write here 5 into 10 power 2 plus 4 into, it is not there of any 10. So we should write here power of 1 plus 3 into 1 means because of we write the tens. So 10 power 0. A power 0 equal to, since a power 0 equal to 1. So here write 10 power 0 equal to 1. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 6 by 10 power 1 plus 7 by 10 power 2. So here write the, comparing the laws of exponents, a power m equal to a power minus m. So here write 5 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0 plus 6 into 10 power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2. It is a decimal number, change it to the expanded form. Did you understand, children? It is the page number 84, expanded form. Do this first Roman first problem. Okay, did you understand this one? Okay, children? Okay. Next, do this first Roman third problem. Before the class is the first problem completed. Third problem. Here in this before the problem is 3 digits after point after 2 digits. In this case, in this problem, 4 digits after point 3 digits. So here write solution 6 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 plus 5 into, it means thousands place ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, right here 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 0. Ones. Okay, ones means ones place. Plus 3 by, here 3 digits are there. So 3 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Here write how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. We should write here 10 power 3 plus 5 into 100. 10 tens are 100. We should write here 10 square plus 4 into 10 power 1. Not their power means we should write the power 1. Exponents. Okay. Plus 1's place is 0. 0 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1. Plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 0 into 10 power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 power minus 3. Did you understand, children? 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. 1 by a power m equal to a power minus here. Here write the 100 place is the 10 into 10. Here write the thousands place is changed to the 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. Right here. Did you understand? So 1 by a power minus m. So 10 power minus 1 plus 0 into 10 power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 power minus 3. It is the expanded form of decimal numbers. Okay.
The topic is the standard form. First we learn the definition. What is the definition of standard form? Numbers written using place value system are said to be in standard form. When writing numbers in standard form, separate the periods with commas like this. Here 7 digits number given that. So here standard form is a way to write using digits. First here 7 digit numbers are given, 4 digits, 2 digits and 6 digits number. How did you keep the commas? First 3 digits, after 3 digits, like this. Okay. In this page number 93, to this problem we are discussing now.
Very good morning, my dear students. In this previous class up to 4.1 exercise completed. Today we are going to, before the exercise, do these problems. Before the exercise 4.2, do this problem. Page number 93, do this. So in this case, before the exercise 4.2, standard forms. Standard forms. So in this case, to this first problem, change the numbers into standard form and rewrite the statements. What is that? Change the numbers into standard form and rewrite the statements. What is the first one in this case of first problem? The distance from sun to earth. The distance from the sun to earth equal to 149 billions 600 millions meters. Okay, the distance from the sun to earth 149 billion 600 millions meters. So change it to the standard form. So here digits after how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We should write here into 10 power 8 meters. Did you understand? It is a standard form. Did you understand, children? In this, how many zeros are there? We should write here 10 power 8. Okay. So here the distance from the sun to earth standard form is 1496 into 10 power 8 meters. Okay. In this next second one. What is the second one? The average radius of sun is the average radius of sun is equal to 6,95,000 kilometers. 6,95,000 kilometers. Change it to standard form. Here in this case, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. We should write here 10 power 3 kilometers. It is a standard forms. It is a standard forms. So in this, do this first Roman remaining third problem and fourth problem, do the homework. Okay, children. Just we should write here 10 power, how many zeros are there? We should write here exponent form 10 power 8. In this case of 3 zeros are there, we should write here 10 power 3. Did you understand? As usual, write 695 into 10 power 3. Okay, children. It is a do this first Roman. Okay, what is the second one? Write the following numbers standard form. Write the following numbers in standard form. It is a second Roman. Do this second Roman. First one. Already here given to the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers 0.0000456. It means of you read the 0 point after separate 0.0000456. For it is a decimal number. So first you change the fraction. So 456 by how many digits are there? Points after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here write 1 after 7 zeros. In the denominator, we should write here 1 after 7 zeros. Because of it is a decimal number, change it to standard form. So here 456 by how many zeros are there here? 7 zeros. Because of here 7 digits. So write here 10 power 7. So in this case of since 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. So write here 456 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, it is a standard form. It is the second Roman, first one. Okay, children. Next, remaining in the second Roman remaining problems, do the homework, and first Roman remaining the problems, do the homework. Okay, children. Next, we are going to exercise 4.2.
Next topic is exercise 4.2.
Next, exercise 4.2. Express the following numbers in the standard form. So it is a exercise 4.2, first Roman, first one. Express the following numbers in the standard form. So here write solution. First it is a decimal number, change it to the proper fraction. So here how many point after how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here write 912. 47 by 1 after 12 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 zeros. Okay. It is a 947 by how many zeros are there? 12 zeros. So we should write here 10 power 12. 947 by 10 power 12. So here write 947 into 10 power minus 12 because of 1 by a power m loss of exponents is equal to a power minus m. So here write 947 into 1 by a power m. It means of a power minus m. So 10 power minus 12. So in this case every method standard form into 100 by 100 into 10 power minus 12. Okay, did you understand? So in this case of 100 cancel, it is a 1. 1 into 947, 947. So here write 947 into 100 means square number is 10 square. 10 tens are 100 into 10 power 12. 10 power minus 12 by 10 into 10. Okay. So here write 947 by 100 into 10 square. 10 into 10, 10 square into 10 power minus 12. So here 1 after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we should write here, keep the point of 9.47 into, here write a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, comparing the loss of exponents. So here write a power m into a power n. Bases are equal, then exponents are adding. So 2 plus of minus 12. So here 9.47 into 10 power 2 plus into minus minus 12. Okay. So here write 9.47 into 10 power minus 10. Okay children, did you understand this one, this problem? So once observe that here a decimal number changed to converted to the standard form. 947, how many point after how many zeros, how many digits are there? Points after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we should write here denominator 1 after 12 zeros. So write here 947 by 10 power 12. Because of here 12 zeros are there. So here 10 power 12. So 947 into it is a comparing the loss of exponents 1 by a power m formula. A power minus m. So here write 10 power minus 12. 947 into 100 by 100 into 10 power minus 12. Up to here also okay, but it is a standard form. They express the following numbers in the following in the standard form. So here multiply and divided. So here 100 by 100, it means of, so here 100 by 100 cancellation one time, so 1 here. 947 into 1 as usual, 947 into 10 power minus 12. Here write the 10 into 10 square number. 10 tens are 100. So how many tens are there? 2. So here write the 947 by 100 into 10 power 2. It means of 10 square. Here 2 tens are there. We should write here 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 12. Here write the comparing with the loss of exponents. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So here write 2 plus of minus 12. Here write point after how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. We should keep here decimal number 9.47. So you converted the left number, counting the left side onwards 1, 2 after keep the point. 9.47 into 10 power 2 plus into minus minus 12. So here 9.47 into 10 power minus 10. So it is a standard form. Okay. It is the exercise first Roman first one. Okay children. Next Second Roman, express the following numbers in the usual form. Express the following number in the usual form. Here given to the standard form, change it to the usual form. It means normal numbers. Okay. So second Roman first problem, 4.37 into 10 power 5. So here 10 power 5 means how many zeros we have to take? 1 after 5 zeros. 5 zeros. Okay. Then multiply the decimal number into 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. So here multiply that 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0. After again 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 0. Next 5 times 0, 0. 4. Fifth one 0, 0, 0. Next here 1. 1 sevens, 1 sevens 7, 1 threes 3, 1 fours 4. Right here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7, 3, 4. Here in this problem 4.37, because of point after 2 digits are there. Left side, counting the left side onwards. We keep the left side onwards 1, 2. Keep the point. Therefore 4.37 into 10 power 5 equal to 4,37,000. It is a usual form. Okay children, did you understand? 4.37 into 10 power 5. Because of here how many tens are there? 5 tens. So 1 after 5 zeros. We have to take the 1 after 5 zeros. Multiply the number. After completed, point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. So we should keep the left side onwards counting 2 digits after keep the point. So here write 4.37 into 10 power 5 is equal to 4,37,000. It is a usual form. It means of a numerical number. Okay children. Next third problem. Next third problem. Solution. So here write 32.5 into 10 power minus 4. Here write the a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. It is a laws of exponents. Okay. So here point after how many digits are there? 1 digit. So 325 by 10 into 1 by 10 power 4. It is a form of a power minus m. So here 1 by a power m. Here write 325 into 1 by 10 into 10 power 4. So in this case of denominator, bases are same, then exponents are adding. So here a power m plus n, a power m plus n. Here write 325 into 1 means 325 by 1 plus 4. 10 power 1 plus 4. Here write 325 by 10 power 5. Okay, did you understand children this one? Okay. Next 10 power 5 means you write the 325 by 1 after 5 zeros. 1 after 5 zeros. Okay. Right here it is a change it to the usual forms. 0 point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Here write the 0 0 3 2 5. So we do the division to the division 325. So here only 3 digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So we should keep the point after you take the 0. It is not possible. 1 lakh possible in 3,250? No. 32,000? No. 3 lakhs 25? Yes, we should keep the 0. Here keep 0, 0. So here 1 time. 3 times 3 lakhs. Remaining 25,000. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0. So again we should keep the 0 and 2 times 2 lakhs. 2 into 1 lakh equal to 2 lakh. It means again 50,000. Subtraction means 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 2 minus 2, 0. So already we keep the point and take the 0 5 times. Okay, like this. So 0.00 here, right? Zero 0.00325. Okay, it is the answer. Okay children, did you understand? So it is a usual form. So next fourth problem. In a pack there are 5 books. In a pack there are 5 books. Each of thickness 20 mm. 20 mm thickness. Each book of thickness is 20 mm and 5 paper sheets. 5 paper sheets. Each of thickness is 0.016 mm. Mm means millimeters. Okay, so each of the thickness 20 mm and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? What is the total? Total means 5 books thickness, 5 books of thickness plus total means adding 5 books of thickness plus 5 paper sheets of thickness. Total means, so here write solution 5 books of thickness equal to 20 mm. Okay, next 5 5 paper sheets of thickness equal 0.016 mm. So it is a given that. So here what is the asking? What is the total thickness of the pack? It means of 5 books of thickness and 5 paper sheets of thickness. Therefore total thickness of the pack is equal to 5 books of thickness plus 5 paper sheets thickness. Okay, did you understand children? It is a total thickness of the pack. So 5 books of thickness plus 5 paper sheets thickness. So here write 5 into 5 books of thickness. How much is that? 20 mm plus 5 paper sheets thickness 5 into 0.016 mm. So here write 5 20s are 100 mm plus 5 into 0.016. Multiply that 0.016 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 5 zeros 0. 5 zeros 0. How many points after? How many digits after keep the point? 1 2 3. We count the left side onwards. 1 2 3. So here 0 point. 0.080 mm. Here write adding 100.000. Here write 0.080. Okay, 0.001. So here write therefore 100.080 mm. It is the total thickness of the pack. It is the total thickness of the pack 100.080 mm. Did you understand, children? It is what is the given the problem? In a pack 3 or 5 books each of thickness 20 mm. 5 books of thickness is 20 mm and 5 paper sheets each of thickness is 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? It means of 5 books of thickness and 5 paper sheets of thickness adding. Total means adding. The total thickness of the paper means 5 books of thickness plus 5 paper sheets of thickness. Okay. So here 5 into half means 5 into 20 mm. 5 books of thickness 20 mm plus 5 into 5 paper sheets of thickness is 0.016 mm. Okay. It is a 5 2s. 5 20s 100 mm plus 5 into 0.1016 mm is equal 0.080 mm. There are two terms are adding 100.080 mm. It is a total thickness of the each pack. Total thickness of the pack. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next, last problem, exercise 4.2, fifth problem. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument. So, in this case of 5 problems are there in 5th Roman. So, it is do different method Rakesh. Doing the different method Rakesh. So, are you agree with Rakesh or not? Okay. So, first what is the first question? X power minus 3 into x power minus 2 is equal to x power minus 6. Solution. So, what we observe that bases are same, then exponents are adding. At the same time, the loss of exponents a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So, write here x power m plus n minus 3 plus of minus 2 is equal to x power 6 minus 6. So, here write x power minus 3 plus of minus into minus 2 is equal to x power minus 6. Here write symbols are same. So, we should adding minus of 3 plus 2 5 is equal to x power minus 6. So, in this problem of is equal to both sides values are equal? No. So, it is not equal. Are you agree with Rakesh? So, Rakesh do the problem, solving the problem x power minus 6. So, the correct answer is x power minus 5. So, here Rakesh do the problem, solve the problem x power minus 6. Do you agree? No. So, not agree with Rakesh. With Rakesh. Okay, it is the first one. Same time second problem. Next second problem, second solution. So it is x cube into 1 by x square equal to x power 4. So here write x cube into x power minus 2 because of it is a 1 by a power m equal to a power minus n. So here write that is. So here bases are same, then exponents are adding. Bases are same, then exponents are adding. So here write x power 3 plus of minus 2 is equal to, since here a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Okay, right here x power 4. So here x plus into minus minus x minus x power 3 minus 2 is equal to x power 4. So x power 1 equal to x power 4. Bases are equal, then exponents are equal. So 1 equal to 4. It is not equal to. It is not equal to. So in this problem also not agree with Rakesh. So it is also wrong answer. It is also wrong answer. Next third question. Next one is third question. So x square whole cube. In this case of x square is a one term whole cube. So here write are equal and this term is this equal. We should solve the problem. These two terms are equal and these two terms are equal. Prove that. So first one x square whole cube equal to x power 8. So it is a comparing with laws of exponents a power n m whole power n equal to a power m into n. Comparing with the laws of exponents a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n. So here write x power 2 into 3 equal to x power 8. So here write 2 3s are 6, x power 6 equal to x power 8. So bases are equal, then exponents are equal. So it is not equal to. Okay, it is not possible. So next case x is 2 power 3. X power 2 cube equal to x power 8. Because of here write in the power of 2 is 3 times. Okay, so here write x power 8. How many power of 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. X power 8 equal to x power 8. So I agree with Rakesh. Okay, next one. So x square whole cube not equal to x square whole x 2 cube is equal to x power 8. Did you understand? In this case of not agree, in this case of also not agree. Okay, did you understand children? Next to fourth and fifth one. So next fourth problem. Fifth Roman fourth problem. So here x power minus 2 equal to root x. So the value of root x equal to x power 1 by 2. Substitute of the equation. So x power minus 2 equal to x power 1 by 2. In this laws of exponents a power m equal to a power n such that of m equal to n. It is a laws of exponents, comparing with the laws of exponents. So here bases are equal, then exponents are equal. So minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So it is not equal. So it is not agree with Rakesh. Okay. Next fifth problem. In this case fifth problem. So here write solution 3x power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3x. 1 by 3x. It is a agree with or not agree. Okay. So here write 3 into x power minus 1 equal to 1 by 3x. So here write a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So here write 3 into 1 by x equal to 1 by 3x. 3 into 1 by x equal to 1 by 3x. Here write 3 by x equal to 1 by 3x. So is equal to both sides of value. So here write cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. So here write 3 into 3x is equal to 1 into x. 3 3s are 9. X equal to 1x. Okay. The coefficient, in this case of coefficient 1, in this case of coefficient 9, it is equal in both sides of values. Equal or not equal? Not equal. So here write 9 into x by x equal to 1. Here multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity, or like this also, or 9 is equal to x by x. 1 into x by x. Here write the 1x are 1. So 9 equal to 1, not equal to. So in this fifth Roman, total 5 problems are not equal. Is equal to both sides values are not equal. So what is the asking the question? The question is, agree with Rakesh. Rakesh solved some problems of exponents of in the following way. Do you agree with the solution? So Rakesh doing the problems all wrong. So not agree with Rakesh. Okay children? Okay. So up to 4.2 exercise completed and 4th chapter also completed. Okay children? Okay.
Thank you, my dear students. I hope to understood this exercise 4.2 problems. Thank you.